Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so they can see each other. Make sure the Realme TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network because casting relies on local discovery. Once done, enable the TV's screencast or mirrorcast mode. Find it under Settings right arrow Connectivity so the TV is discoverable. Next, pull down your phone's Quick Settings and tap Cast or Screen Mirroring. This begins device scanning, which is why the network and TV discoverability matter now. You'll see a list of available devices. Tap the entry labeled with your Realme TV name. The phone and TV may exchange a PIN or ask for confirmation. Accept on the TV so the session pairs securely. If video looks cropped, change the aspect ratio or scaling on the TV and make sure phone volume is up. Casting mirrors audio by default. Once connected, you can stream videos, mirror apps, or show slides. This is actual screen mirroring, not just remote playback, so latency depends on Wi-Fi. To finish, stop casting from your phone's Quick Settings or switch the TV input. This cleanly ends the session and frees resources. If the TV doesn't appear, restart both the phone and the Realme TV and reboot the router. Network conflicts often block discovery. If wireless still fails, try Google Home Casting for Pixel/Android, or use a wired HDMI adapter, USB-C to HDMI for a direct link. One tip, disable VPNs and guest Wi-Fi. They prevent device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.